up. On this occasion, I will convey an informative text about macroeconomic effect of fiscal and monetary policy. John Maynard Keynes is an economist from England who is famous for this Keynesian theory. His most important work, The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money, in 1936. Keynes' theory states that aggregate demand is measured as the sum of household, business and government spending, which is the most important driving force in the economy. Now, I would like to give the reason why this topic worth discussing. Macroeconomics has a history and influence of fiscal and monetary policy for a country. Therefore, the topic of speech macroeconomics is a branch of economics that has history and its impact the fiscal and monetary policy for a country. The reason why I choose this topic because I want to understand more about macroeconomics. Before moving to the main discussion, there are 4 points that are going to be examined in the discussion session. First, I will discuss the definition macroeconomic, fiscal and monetary policy. Second, I will discuss history Keynes. Third, I will discuss the macroeconomic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Finally, I will discuss what effort and policy have been carried out by the government in dealing with COVID-19. For now, let's move on to the main discussion. First of all, I would like to discuss the definition macroeconomic, fiscal and monetary policy. The definition of macroeconomic, fiscal and monetary policy. Macroeconomic policy are government plans and action to affect the economy as a whole. Fiscal policy is an economic policy used by the government to process or direct the economy to a better condition by changing revenue and expenditure. And monetary policy is an effort to control by regulating the amount of money in circulation. After knowing the definition of macroeconomic, fiscal and monetary policy, now you need to know about history Keynes. John Maynard Keynes, born June 5, 1803, Cambridge, England, and died April 21, 1964. Apart from being an economist, he is also a journalist and financier. Keynes' ideas changed the theory and practice of macroeconomic and world economic policy. He continues and refines the previous theory that explains the cause of the business cycle. He is recognized as one of the most influential economists of the 20th century and the founder of modern macroeconomy. His tool became the basis of the Keynesian method of economics and all its derivatives. After knowing about history Keynes, now we will move to the macroeconomic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a lot of things to happen in several sectors. In economic sector is massive layoff occurred. There was a decline in Indonesian manufacturing and there is a decrease in imports in Indonesia. In the tourist sector is the occurrence of flight cancellation resulting in a decrease in revenue. At the hotel, there is a decrease in placement which results in a loss of tourist foreign exchange. Last, the decline also occurs in other large entrepreneurs such as restaurant and the retail industry. In health sector is public health declines due to many being exposed to COVID-19 and people are afraid and worried about contracting in several, now we will discuss what efforts and policies have been carried out by the government in dealing with COVID-19. Government effort to deal with COVID-19 is raise public awareness with a healthy lifestyle, create stability so that every community can live properly, and develop technology that is able to encourage people life towards a better. Government policy to deal with COVID-19 is maintain the stability of the Indonesia economy by implementing state revenue and expenditure, optimizing the contribution of government revenue, government regulating saving and loans, and last, channel fund the deal with COVID-19. In my conclusion is John Maynard Keynes is an economic figure, journalist and financier. In the mind of the COVID-19 pandemic, several sectors experienced a decline, but the government has made various efforts and policies made so that this pandemic will soon pass. Finally, this is my speech. Thank you for your attention.